Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner and developer of Sollite. That's SOLLITE.com. Sollite utilizes the light of your own soul for healing and conscious awakening. It offers training programs and private holistic counseling sessions. So for more details about Sollite, my biography, and what is entailed in the training programs and the private sessions, for sure, log on to Sollite.com. And while you're there, there's a free complimentary one-page meditation PDF you can upload for your convenience. I find it very helpful and hope you do as well. Now, today's topic is about pain and suffering. For sure, we will not get through this human existence without having pain in our lives of some sort. However, suffering is optional, or at the least, you can make the suffering or have the suffering be in less intensity. For example, one of the things I always mention is that life is our medicine, meaning that just like the law of attraction and or the mirroring theory, life brings to you exactly what you need to help you evolve and grow, learn your lessons, and become the most optimal, best person you can be. So whatever is meant for you and whatever is needed for you in these areas will definitely come to you. And it won't miss you because it's meant especially for you. Your soul brings it to your attention. And you can feel that because it triggers something deep inside of you that possibly may feel uncomfortable. Or definitely, the first reaction is resistance. You don't want to feel this. You don't want to do this. You don't want to have this challenging situation in your life. But it is actually a gift. It is a doorway that if you're brave enough and courageous enough to go through, you will find a miraculous jewel that is meant especially for you. Now, I want to bring up this image for you. This is a recent podcast interview that was done with me from a colleague and a friend who has her own podcast series on self-care for the soul. Like I said, the soul is what brings us our lessons in life for our betterment and evolvement. So go on to this link. One second, I want to just hide that for a moment for you so you can see the title is How Pain and Suffering Can Be Transformed into Gifts for Your Soul. So this interview podcast has now been transcribed into a blog, which you can find on my website by following this link or logging on to sollite.com. So I just want to mention this to you as well, because it's not only interesting reading, but at the end, it has an exercise which helps you be able to integrate the medical, scientific, and spiritual research that are proven facts to help you with lessening or avoiding the suffering that comes along with pain. Remembering, most important, that pain is a gift, and it really is a signal that is giving us a message to pay attention, possibly if there's a pain in your body. What is that all about? Are you needing to slow down? Are you needing to go to a medical doctor and get diagnosis, possibly some help in that kind of way? Is there stress in your life that's causing a mental or an emotional challenge for you? So if you just listen to what your soul is bringing to you by feeling it, sitting with it, holding it in your space to see what the message and the guidance and the wisdom of this signal of the pain that is occurring whenever it happens in your life, it's bringing you an opportunity, a gift, a doorway for you to be able to evolve and to have a happier, healthy, and joyful life. So do check out the link. It's an interesting read. It's full of factual, researched information on the medical and spiritual side, and I think you'll find it very interesting. I know I had a wonderful time developing the material for the podcast interview, and I do find that it is very important information as I was doing the research to put this together. So I thank you very much. I wish you all the best of everything. Stay well, stay safe, and remember, pain is really a signal that's bringing you a gift, an opportunity. So instead of resisting it, sit with it, listen to it, because your soul is speaking to you. Many blessings. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen and enjoy the read. From my heart to yours, be blessed and enjoy. Thank you.